If you have been watching from the starting till now, thank you. Subscribe for more. You're welcome to DK Tech. Here we show you how to do new things, how to install it. Just watch this so that you can do it whilst in your work. Yes, you're welcome. Thanks for watching. This is a foldable staircase which looks so luxurious. Yeah, if you check the design, how to do it, how to mold it, this will help you. This is just a video to show you how to install, how to cut, fix, how it works exactly. So if you feel this helpful, press the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Follow for more this. Thank you.